Information is really powerful. And the scale that we have has allowed us to access much more information, I think, than most people who operate maybe in a single sector or in a single marketplace, because we feel like we can really see a lot more information to tell us what the next investment should be or how to drive value most effectively in what we own. Is what we're doing working, or is it not, and should we change? And so our scale has been really powerful in terms of access to information. It's also just very powerful from a competitive standpoint. So in a real estate market where assets feel fairly fully valued in a lot of places, where we can compete for the largest and in the most complicated situations means there's just less competition. And so as a result, we can differentiate ourselves not only on price, but on things like speed and certainty of execution. And that sets up for better outcomes for our investors.
Is there such a thing as a real estate deal that's too big for Blackstone?
I'd like to think no, that we approach every day like anything is really possible, and we have great relationships with investors and access to great funds. So we look at transactions really more about what can we drive in terms of performance. The quality of a transaction is not kind of measured or limited by size.
So the sky's the limit?
Potentially, yes.